Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. Today in this video we'll see how to make amla pickle in Andhra style. Now we'll see what are all the ingredients we need to make this amla pickle. So to make amla pickle, the main ingredient is amla. Here I have taken nearly 1 kg of amla. For 1 kg of amla, here I have taken 100 grams of tamarind. I extracted the puree of the tamarind and it's ready here. And here I have taken 1 cup of spicy chili powder. And here I have taken 5 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Here I have taken approximately 1 tablespoon of hing. Here is my salt, and we are going to take some oil to fry the amlas. First in a kadai, we'll dry roast our fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds. Now you can see our fenugreek has changed its color and it started to release a nice aroma from it. Now I am going to transfer this into a plate. Into the same kadai, I am going to add my mustard seeds. We'll fry this mustard seeds until it starts to splatter. Then we'll transfer this into the same plate where we kept our fenugreek seeds. Now our mustard started to splatter. Now I am going to switch off the flame and transfer this mustards into the plate. We'll wait for our mustards and fenugreek to come into room temperature. Then we'll blend it into a powder. Here I have taken 250 ml of oil. Once the oil is hot, we'll drop this amlas into that. Before dropping this amlas into the oil, we have to wash it and wipe it completely, and there should not be any water in this. Now I'll add my amlas one by one into this. After adding our amla, we have to wait until the bubbles settle down and the amla will cook perfectly. Now you can see the bubbles are settled down. Now I am going to remove this amla from the oil and will transfer this into a wide bowl and let this come into room temperature before we go into the next procedure. Now I have kept the stove in a low flame. I am going to transfer this oil, excess oil, into a container. And we'll be using this oil again for this pickle. I have removed excess oil from this kadai and kept only 5 tablespoons of oil. Into this I am going to add little bit mustard. This is optional. Once the mustard seed starts to crackle, we are going to pour this tamarind extract into this oil. Now I'll add this tamarind extract into this oil little by little. We have to cook this tamarind until the raw smell of this tamarind is gone. Now you can see our tamarind has become thick and it has and all the raw smell also is gone. Now I am going to switch off the flame. Once the bubbles settles down, here my tamarind pulp has settled down. I am going to add my hing, chili powder, and give it a nice mix. Now we have to wait until this mixture comes into the room temperature. Now into a big mixing bowl, I am going to transfer this paste, the tamarind chili paste, into this. Into this we'll add required amount of salt for our pickle. Into the same bowl, we'll add our powder. If you feel this is more, you can reduce and you can add. According to your taste, you add this. First I am adding this much, then later I'll add little bit more if I want. This one is a powder which we made from roasted mustard and fenugreek. So according to your taste, you can add. First add little, then if you require more you can add. Sometimes it may get bitter, that's why I added little bit. Into this mixture I am going to add little bit oil. Now I'll add my oil fried amlas into this. We'll mix them thoroughly and gently. Now I'll add still more oil into this. So after adding this mustard and fenugreek powder, like 3 tablespoons of powder is remaining. You can store this in a airtight container and you can use it in some other recipes also. For me, for this pickle, it is enough. This pickle is ready, but not yet ready to consume it. You have to keep it at least for 2 to 3 days. Once all the masalas, all the spices and sourness absorbs into the amla, this pickle will be ready to consume then. Here's my amla pickle ready to consume after 2 days. Looks so good and delicious. It's must try recipe. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel, and to get notified about my latest updates, don't forget to click the bell button. We'll meet you in next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video. Amla pickle.